everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into L.L.Bean Mastercard online account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started and in the search box search for L.L.Bean Mastercard login and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see this interface. To log in and manage to your L.L.Bean Mastercard, click on this first link which will take you to citibank.com and you'll be able to see the sign on area for your Mastercard. Go ahead and type in your user ID associated with your account in the first text box, and then if you'd like the system to remember your user ID, check this little box where it says remember my user ID. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked for your security and then head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on retrieve user ID or reset password link in order to look for your credentials. Finally, after filling in your details, click the sign on button and you'll be able to log into your L.L.Bean Mastercard account online. You can now pay your bills, activate alerts, and so much more once you are logged in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.